This is Quartz Canyon. It's the latest NUC from Intel, and also known as the NUC9 Pro. It's unlike any NUC you've ever seen before. NUC stands for Next Unit of Computing, and when you think of a NUC, this is usually what comes to mind. But Quartz Canyon is radically different. It's a true powerhouse for content creation. And for gamers, there's the Ghost Canyon NUC. So why is the NUC9 series larger than the one we just saw? Well, first of all, it's not that big. The key reason is that this NUC supports discrete graphics cards, like this 2070 Mini, which was specifically designed to fit the NUC9. The NUC9 can fit other small and ITX form factor cards. With an Intel NUC, you can fit a large amount of PC in a small form factor, allowing for GPU upgrades. That's where this comes in. This is the Intel NUC compute element. Inside are CPU, RAM, storage, Thunderbolt, dual gigabit LAN, and even the ability to drive 3 displays from the integrated graphics alone. It's modular too. You can choose your own RAM, storage, and can upgrade down the line if you want to. This NUC9 has a high-end Core i9 with 8 cores and 16 threads with hyperthreading, which is plenty powerful for the foreseeable future. The compute element is designed so that when you need to upgrade, you can simply pop in a new element and you're basically done. Big gaming desktops take advantage of the cooling characteristics afforded by their large size. The QC NUC uses a unique L-shaped vapor chamber and 2 extractor fans to pull hot air out of the top while drawing in cool air from the bottom. The 5-liter form factor is one of the Quartz Canyon's outstanding features. If you're looking for something more compact, there are enclosures that will house the compute element on its own. Remember, the compute element contains all the parts essential to a PC. The Quartz Canyon NUC9 is available now from select retailers and system integrators.
We designed the HP Elite Slice to modernize the work environment at the highest level, to bring computing back to the desk with purposeful design and sophisticated engineering. And above all, it's inspired by the versatile needs of the user. When you look at HP Elite Slice, you'll see its sleek, modular form with smooth edges and rounded corners. You'll immediately be drawn in by the elegance of the twinkle black coating, inspired by beautiful ceramic finishes and the stunning luxe copper accents that encompass its sculpture-like appearance. It's evocative of a piece of modern art, and its design expression is more akin to architecture than a computer. The thermal ventilation system that runs along the perimeter of the device dissipates heat discreetly and quietly. Every design detail was carefully thought out and expertly executed to look and perform unlike any other machine. The genesis of this device is the variety of user experiences it offers. Slice can be your desk phone, charging station, media player, and conferencing solution that gives you unparalleled ability to customize your workspace. Slice for meeting rooms has one-touch controls. It allows you to start meetings faster and easier than ever before. Whether you use Slice at your desk or in a conference room, you're equipped with the most innovative features, like custom-tuned audio by Bang & Olufsen for remarkable sound and a touch fingerprint sensor for world-class security. In essence, this desktop is a trophy of the modern workplace. It's the soul of a powerful PC inside a beautiful modular body. HP Elite Slice is the perfect combination of form and function with an added element of modern luxury. It's designed to inspire the modern workplace and transform the way you work.
We've created the Alienware Alpha to be the ultimate small form factor gaming PC, taking you deeper into the game than you ever thought possible. Amazingly small and incredibly user-friendly, the Alpha has a unique user interface, Alienware HiveMind. which allows you to access your Steam games, videos, images, and favorite programs all from your controller. It's also got powerful Intel Core i processors, up to 16 gigs of DDR4 memory, and an M.2 PCIe port for additional storage. And with the optional Alienware graphics amplifier, you can experience brilliant 4K gaming and incredible virtual reality. With an improved GPU performance from a 4GB NVIDIA GeForce GTX 960 GPU, your gaming experience is visceral and real. Crank up your settings and run your games at true 1080p and up to 60 frames per second for select titles. The Alpha also offers easy upgradability that only a PC can deliver. You'll enjoy access to core components, including upgrading the CPU, the memory, and the hard drive, all without voiding your warranty. With its dangerously small design and deceptively powerful performance, the Alpha has been engineered to change perceptions of how desktop gaming should look and feel.
HP has really transformed the device that we make, the experience that we expect, and to some degree, the environment in which it's deployed. Several trends are influencing the way we create our product as well as the environments in which people work. The millennial has grown up in an age of technology, in a social society. They have a different perspective of how work gets done. It is actually more social. That creative millennial has really influenced the size of the device. No longer do they ask for something that sits to the floor. They want it to be a center point to the desk or not be seen at all. One of the greatest things that we've been able to achieve in this past year is radical reduction in size. The HP Z2 Mini is a remarkable device. It is about productivity, it's about performance, but yet it was really driven by design. HP's been able to put more technology, more power in a smaller form factor. It can mount anywhere, which gives you ultimate flexibility. Before, you were relegated to space that could accommodate very large workstations. That's not the way designers and engineers want to work today. They want to be in an open environment. They really want the freedom, the liberation, the flexibility. The HP Z2 Mini was designed by designers for designers. It is really a new way of thinking about technology, how things are done, how your office is really utilized, and to some degree, how we live our lives.
When your desktop talks to you, when it listens, when it paves the way to the experience of a new kind of connection, is it still a desktop? Unlike anything that came before it, the HP Pavilion Wave is the embodiment of do-everything performance, amplified by scientifically advanced sound design in the most radical reinvention of a desktop ever dared. Performance is driven by top-end Intel Core processors, making this an uncommonly capable device that everyone at home can use for absolutely anything. Browsing and shopping, to social media and productivity apps, to video and image editing. There is also an optional discrete graphics card for powerhouse graphics with all the visual impact users today are looking for. Without compromising the desktop specs, we made it small and light enough to move from room to room. It's also got all the connectivity you need to make it work with anything you want it to. Front-facing USB and audio jack, along with USB 3.0, USB 3.1 Type-C, an HDMI port, and an SD card reader in the rear. Strategically placed microphones precisely leverage its ability to listen to commands and queries through Cortana. Moreover, it delivers razor clarity for video conferencing and Skype calling. To make it a streaming media machine was a defining part of our mission, and audio is such an integral part of that experience. With reflective, multi-directional audio, custom tuned in collaboration with experts at B&O Play, we architected a driver that propels sound through the small form factor tower, sending it out with volume, range, and substance that can rule a whole room. The woven fabric skin, the speaker stem, and the triangular form, every feature designed to move it beyond a mere desktop to a higher functioning home computer.